Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to share our journey of creating this beautiful landscape. First thing we had to do is to go to Lowe's, our home improvement store, to get sand and all the supplies. Let's see if this is going to be okay, driving with this. Okay, Amore, we're pulling 1,000 pounds of sand.
Yeah, let's see if this little truck can handle it.
This is the test.
If not, we need to change it to
A monster?
yeah, to
Monster truck?
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
We are going to be using the sand to level down the grass. While my husband, better known as Amore, is doing that, I went to the store to pick up more sawgrass and mulch. Now we were able to place all the sawgrass on the spots that needed some more. And of course, we had to make it fun, so here I am dancing. And let's get back to work. This step is very important. We are putting this lining to prevent from weed to grow in our landscape. And at the same time, it allows for air and water flow. And to secure it to the ground, you use these pins. Now we are placing the edging around the perimeter of the landscape area. This material is made out of recycled rubber and it's very easy to install. It brings pins to connect them, and as you can see, the stacks are very easy to attach to the ground using a mallet. If you need to make a cut, you can use the saw or a miter saw like this one. It wasn't easy, but it was incredibly rewarding. Not only did we get to spend time together, but we also save a lot of money by doing it ourselves. And we took a little shower, it was way too hot. From choosing the right plants to planning the layout, every step was a learning experience. We faced challenges like figuring out how to deal with the uneven ground and finding the best spots for each plant. Once we found the right spot for all of them, we wanted to secure them better, so we dig them inside the mulch. In that way, they don't fall. Sometimes here in South Florida, we experience strong winds, so we didn't want our plants to move out of place. Seeing our hard work come to life has been truly amazing. Plus, we got to personalize every aspect of our garden, making it uniquely ours. So, if you're thinking about tackling a landscaping project, we encourage you to go for it. It may be challenging, but trust us, it was worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY homes and garden projects like this. And for more detailed information, please visit my website uridesign.com under blogs. Until next time, goodbye.